Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to be making some coffee. Why am I so excited? Why am I so excited, guys? I don't know why. I'm just so excited to be back and posting videos because we got time. Okay, why did I do that? Anyway. Okay. So, I've been seeing this coffee all over social media and I want to try it. Yes, we're going to try it. We're going to try it today. Okay guys, I'm not crazy. I'm actually very normal. All we're using is instant coffee, and 2 tablespoons of warm water, hot water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then you literally just mix it. And you get this. Then you put some ice blocks. Cube. Then you put some ice cubes in a glass like this. You put it in a glass like this, and then you add some milk to it. Guys, this is very yummy.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk! Oh!
Aiden doesn't like coffee, so I don't know if he's gonna try it with me or with everyone. Then you add the milk. I'm gonna add more to this. I'm gonna show you guys now in 1, 2, 3. Guys, if you guys like more sugar, I feel you can add more sugar. I don't know, I just love making a recipe your own. This is the milk. Cubes also just as much as you prefer as well. If you guys are more than one person, I think you just double the recipe or triple the recipe. This is how it looks. I'm going to mix it a bit now. Guys, then you just mix it. Just mix it all together. Guys, it looks so delectable. So very much delectable. Oh shit. Guys, it's so yummy. Okay, now everyone has to taste it. Okay.
Let me taste this thing. Delicious.
Is it delicious?
Delicious.
Is it guys, Aiden is having ice cream in this. I wonder.
Get out of here! Get out of here, man! Shit, I'm saying!
But guys, he doesn't like coffee. I'm recording, babe.
Had me record?
Romani. Dag eens. Is it delicious?
It's like iced coffee.
Yes. It is iced coffee, basically.
You got it.
Guys, I'm recording a video. What are you doing with your life?
I just added a bit of cocoa powder to my ice cream.
And then you're trying to challenge my coffee.
Oh, it's so delectable.
Please subscribe and put on the ring bell.
Guys.
No.
Okay, wat next, liefie?
Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you for tuning in.
Feel free to subscribe
Feel free to subscribe.
because there will be more videos following shortly.
Because there will be more videos following shortly.
And put on the notification bar bell.
And put on that notification bell. Okay, put it on. En wat nog, liefie? Oppo. Feel free to comment as well and share this video. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching.